Could spend your whole life but you couldn't describe what makes a woman. Perfect mystery. Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Chordnificent back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we're doing What Makes a Woman by Katy Perry. And we're playing this with no capo and we're using basic chords. So this is how the song starts. This is the verse, okay? So we're playing D to G, okay? Is it the way I na 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 na, right? Okay, so right after the how fast that I can leave you, and then we go to, that's A. Okay, so we're playing na 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 D, na 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 G, and then just after the na 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 I can leave you, right? And then is it the na 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 na? Could spend a whole life but you could. That's G to A, and then na 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 na. That's D to D7, but we're not playing the full D7. D7 is 020230, but we're only playing 020200. So that's, and you're only plucking strings number 5 4 3 2. Okay, so na 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 G A D D7, right? And then we go to G A D again, right? That's how you conclude the chorus. So it's na 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 na, right? And then you go again na 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 D. Okay, so this song is composed in the key of D major, right? And these are all the chords that you need to know. Now, if you're not familiar with the chords, you can check out my chord video. If you can't find it, I will link it in the comment section below. It is a detailed illustration of the chords, so you can learn the chords and then come back to this video for the progressions. Otherwise, do subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you.